Nothing valuable here, Leo? Huh? Is that a human? I thought they'd be much more noble. This must be the last human ever, Leo. Huh?
Woohoo! Anyone find any cool loot? Well. Not often we see new faces in Blackacre territory. My name is Bonnie the Bandit. And what's your name?
I'm Cade, and this Leo. He's a beer belly.
Ugh! You haven't got a human on you, do you, Cade? See, we're looking to sell them on the black market. They sell for a pretty penny, as I'm sure you know.
Huh, sorry. No humans here. We were just leaving.
Nah, I'm just messing with you, dude. I get it, y'all are lost. As long as you haven't taken anything, you can leave. What the f-
It's a tomboy.
Why you little?
Hiya! Cade! You son of a bitch!
All right, guys, let's get out of here.